Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by closing Minecraft and the Badlion client so files aren't locked. Once done, make a quick backup of the Badlion folder, configs, shaders, and mods so you can restore custom settings. Next, confirm your system updates and run the installer with proper permissions. On Windows, use Run as administrator. On Mac OS, accept the permissions prompt. Doing these steps prevents common file access errors and speeds the update process. You now run the Badlion installer and follow the prompts. Pay attention to the install path and component choices so you don't overwrite custom folders. When asked, opt to keep existing profiles unless you want a clean start. Make sure Java is compatible. Badlion often bundles or recommends a specific runtime, and set the suggested graphics options to avoid performance regressions. These decisions control stability and preserve your settings, so take a moment to double-check them. You finish by launching Badlion and signing in. Immediately open settings to confirm the new client version and that your profile's loaded correctly. Then load a single-player world or join a test server to validate mods, HUD, and performance. If something fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Clear the Badlion cache and restart the client. If that doesn't help, check antivirus/quarantine settings and perform a clean reinstall. These actions usually...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.